Hello friends, welcome to your channel Stock Dr. Rara. Here we do technical analysis on index and some of its stocks. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification on all the future videos. So today we are going to do analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, some of other sectors and some of the stocks. Let's go ahead and see what Nifty is trying to tell us. So if I do open hourly chart time frame, then it looks like Nifty is consolidating in this channel. You can see here in this channel. So now high probability that Nifty can pick up from here and it can go here and test the resistance one more time. I'm comfortable to buy Nifty above 15,900. Once it starts trading and closing above 15,900, then targets are bigger. The first target would be 16,000. That would be a very short term target. And the second target is 16,200. And once it's sustained above that, then we can discuss on the higher targets. Nifty has support around these trend line support. These two black lines you can see here. I think that is around 16,000, 15,500 and 15,600. Next index we have here is Bank Nifty. So if you see the Bank Nifty here, Bank Nifty is facing resistance near around 35,600. So for me right now, Bank Nifty is in no trading zone, right? So I would wait, for Bank Nifty to cross 35,600. Once it's crossed 35,600, then there would be a sharp and fast up move until 36,000, 36,500, and 37,000. Right? One more time. So I will wait for Bank Nifty to start closing above 35,600. The first target would be 36,000. Second target would be 36,500 and third target would be 37,000. The next index we have here is IT. If you see here, the IT index was consolidating in this zone for few months. Now it has given a good breakout here, right? So at this point of time, to me, it looks like IT index will perform. Now, the IT results, IT companies are going to provide their results in coming weeks. So I think that 28,200 and 28,000 is a strong support zone for the IT index. Sorry, 28,200 and 27,850 is the good support zone for the IT index. So if there is a pullback until 28,200, then definitely you should add some IT stocks here. and IT index is going to perform a lot from here. So two strategies you can do. First, you can buy some quantities now and buy more on the dips. All the blue chip stocks you can go ahead and buy like TCS, Infosys and other IT companies. And we will keep the target open. The next index we have is FMCG. FMCG also given a very good breakout, and currently I feel that FMCG is having a good support around 36,000. Now, once it breaks this triangle pattern, it is going to give a good up move from here. So the range which we should keep in mind to buy is once it starts trading above 36,400, then there will be a huge or good rally, good run up in FMCG sector. The next we have is pharma index. You can see here pharma has given a good breakout and it is trying to form a flag pattern. And we all know the power of flag pattern, right? So uh, go ahead and see which all the pharma stocks you can feel that good to buy and you can take the position in them. Now the next is metal index. If you see here, metal index is trading in this channel, and I feel that we should not take any position in metal sector unless and until it starts trading and closing above this channel, which is nothing but 5420. 5420 is the price. Once it starts trading above that, then we can think about buying some of the metal stocks like Tata Steel, Hindalco, JSW Steel, and others. So keep eye on this metal index. Once it starts trading above 5420, then we can think of buying those stocks. Now, some of you have asked me to do analysis on some of the stocks. So the first stock is Hindustan Aeronaut. Very good chart pattern here. It is about to give a breakout. So it will be a good buy once it starts trading above 1090. The targets are huge. The first target would be 1200 and the second target would be 1285 plus plus. Means once it start trading and closing above 1285, then it will go up more. The stop loss for this trade would be 1000 rupees. The next stock we have here is Manali Petro. Right now, Manali Petro is trading in this zone. I will wait for it to cross above 88 rupees and then I will think of buying this stock. The next stock we have is BHEL. BHEL is trading in this channel unless and until it doesn't break the channel's upside, that is almost around 77 rupees. I will wait for it. Once it starts trading and closing above 77, then targets are good. It can go around 95 and 110 in the medium term. The next stock here we have is Sun Pharma. I am personally keeping eye on Sun Pharma because the structure it has created very good. And as I said, you guys, CNX Pharma is in uptrend. So right now here, if you see, once it starts trading and closing above 692, the immediate target would be 710, 720, and the medium term target will be 830 and above. So keep watch on this stock. The next stock we have is ITC. ITC currently trading in this pattern, and I will wait for ITC to start closing above 210 rupees. Once it start trading and closing above 210, then it can go around 220 and 225. And once it start trading and closing above 225, then it can go much higher from here. The next stock here we have is Tata Motors. Tata Motors is trading in this channel, and I would really wait for Tata Motors to start closing above 360, right? Once it starts trading and closing above 360, then these are the target levels. The first target would be 375, second one is 400. These two are for the short term. For the medium term, it would be 425, 465, and 520. Those are for the medium term. The next stock here we have is Associated Alcohol and Brewery. Chart pattern looks very nice here, and there is good volume. You can see here. Now, this stock looks good to buy above 510 rupees. Once it starts trading and closing above that and holding that level, then stock can perform much higher from here, right? And the long term target would be almost 780 rupees from here. I mean, from 510, it can go until 780 rupees for medium to long term. The next stock here we have is the Tata Motors, Tata Power, sorry. Tata Power, for this stock, I would wait it to start trading and closing above 130. The reason here is, if you see the monthly chart, see it has created the high of 129 in January 2008. Now, almost after 12 years, it is trying to close above that level. So it tried to test that level, but it started falling from there, and it is consolidating here. I think that once it start trading and closing above 130, Tata Motor would be a good long Tata Power would be a good long term bet. The next stock here we have is Tata Coffee. Tata Coffee, I see good chart pattern here. Last few days or months, you can see very good volume, delivery volume has happened, and here it has created the rounding bottom pattern, right? And I think that Tata Coffee is a buy now with the small quantities, and buy more between 160 and 170, and we need to keep the stop loss of 150 on closing basis, and target is almost 100 rupees more from here for medium to long term. Okay, so this is all about today's analysis, friends. I hope this video will help you to uh, your investing and trading decision, and I hope you will learn more from it. In case you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. All right. Thank you.